This is a 7-piece Japanese tea set. I was sent a review from Teanagoo. It is gorgeous, an amazing gift. Even the box is gorgeous. So let's unbox it, take a closer look, and make some matcha. We've got a beautiful, very thick cotton tea cloth, a bamboo matcha tea whisk in a protective container that you can use for storing. It is really, really nice. A ceramic matcha whisk holder, a bamboo scoop, and ceramic scoop holder, a stainless steel matcha powder sifter, which honestly, you can use this for other stuff in the kitchen as well. Really fine sifter, and an 18-ounce ceramic bowl that matches your whisk holder. This set comes in a bunch of colors. This is the charcoal gray and it's gorgeous. This bowl features a glossy inner glaze with a wide bottom for easier whisking, an eagle beak spout for easier pouring, and a gorgeous texture for an easy, comfortable grip. The bamboo scoop and whisk are hand wash only. Everything else is dishwasher safe, and the bowl is actually microwave safe too. Just don't microwave your matcha, just don't do it. Do note, matcha powder and hot water kettle are not included with this kit, so you gotta provide your own. Really easy to use. If you are clueless, it does come with a great little booklet, which includes the history of matcha, how matcha is made, matcha facts, other tools and gift sets you may want to get, and of course, most importantly, how to make matcha with this set. Of course, you need to get some matcha, then you scoop it out, put it in the sifter over your bowl. You don't have to use the sifter, but that'll help make sure that you don't have any clumps going on, and just kind of push it right through the sifter. Then you add some hot but not boiling water. Then you get to whisking. You do a vigorous whisk for about 10 to 20 seconds. And then you can add more water to be as weak or as strong as you like. This spout is handy if you want to pour it into smaller cups to share, but you can just sip right out of here as a nice, warm, really beautiful green tea cup. I absolutely love this set. It's beautiful. It makes an amazing gift for someone who loves Japanese culture, or you just want a unique housewarming gift or birthday present, something like that. It's a nice treat for yourself as well. And if you have kids who are not big matcha fans, you can use this kit for other stuff, including hot cocoa. I absolutely love this matcha tea set, and I know you or whoever you're about to gift it to will love it as well.